The title of panel discussion would be Data Management for Reliable Business.
Mr. Satish.
Mr. Ravindra sir, Managing Partner at One Star SPM. Mr. Sidlinga sir, CAD PDM Administrator from Terex. So Mrs. Ria, Senior Designer for Vantip. I'm here for a panel discussion. The title of panel discussion would be Data Management for Reliable Businesses. So last year I had the privilege of moderating a panel discussion on data management with experts from Spooty Machine Tools and Terex. So as the response from all of you were truly inspiring, the curiosity and engagement around topics like design data review, design workflows, approval managements, how multiple approvals in the different phases takes care, revision histories, revision managements, revision controls, ERP integrations, version controls, data reuse, and data duplications, all these topics, all these subtopics of data management, the inquiry was little exciting for us. Okay, so much of people are in love with the understanding of these concepts. So yeah, this showcased how strongly industries are embracing in digital transformation. Building on that success, we are back this year with another exciting panel that one together brings the leadership designs and system administration to share the real world perspective of how data management solutions drive strategic vision, design excellence, and operational intelligence. So let me introduce to our distinguished panelists for today. Mr. Ravindra sir, Managing Partner at One Star SPM.
Thank you.
A leader driven innovation and efficiency through digital manufacturing practices. So Mrs. Ria, Senior Designer for Vantip, representing the inventive minds who turn ideas into designs every day with smart data management.
Thank you.
Mr. Sidlinga sir, CAD PDM Administrator from Terex, ensuring data security and integrity, workflow stability, and seamless collaboration across team members. So together, they bring insights for three powerful dimensions: leadership, design, and system administrations. Over next 20 minutes, we will deep dive into how data management is just not a system, but a strategy for a smarter product development. So, are you excited, guys? Are you really excited? I'm not hearing from you. Yes, thank you. Let us begin our discussions. Let me go and sit. Yeah, thank you. So, hope you all are comfortable.
Yes.
Yes, thank you. So, my first question would be for you, sir, Ravindra, sir. Sir, as a leader, as a owner or a managing partner for a firm, how do you see data management influencing the company's growth? So, what are the attributes that you inculcate for creating that mindset?
Before I was a owner, basically I'm a design engineer. So I started my career with design engineer. So I know the data management, tracking the parts or fixtures. So it's very important. So the data management helps, process in plus. So you cannot skip the process, and it will help you to manage the time. So that means you can work on a same project, 3-4 people can work on at a time, so that you can complete the project. So this is the main advantage I feel. So this way, you are not losing the data, or you will have the latest data with everyone, and the completion of the projects makes quick. And then also you have a history tracking, and then who has done, what is the changes then. So that is more helping on our projects, and we are able to make projects more quicker.
Yeah, I hope you had a successful thing in just deliberating that culture towards your team members.
Yeah, yeah. So
Yeah.
I've been using from last 4 or 5 years. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
we are utilizing the data management to the next level. Yeah.
Yeah, it was a great experience for us also to implement data management system in your firm, sir. Yeah. So my next question would be for Mr. Sidlinga, sir.
Yes.
So in an organization managing thousands of design files in your firm, I would sure you're as an CAD PDM administrator. So how would you ensure the data security and critical aspects of PDM data management? And how do you manage to maintain control over keeping collaboration easy for your engineers?
Firstly, when we implemented PDM, we were not just about thinking about just data, managing data. We were also ensuring the data consistency. Since we have many sites all over the globe, we have many team members working on different versions, working on different CAD PDM versions. So we have a workflow process in place. We have used PDM standard workflows, which helps to maintain the data very well organized, structured way, and there is a process in place which will help to have the users not having, it can also help users to manage it very well. We have workflows in PDM inbuilt. In addition to that, we also made few custom workflows for us, like customized as per our organization, as per our sites, like we have US, Europe, India, so differently. And this helped us, workflow system in PDM has helped us in managing the data very well, I would say. Yeah.
So I hope different workflows for CAD, documents, quality, all this is serving the purpose for you, right?
Right. When I say custom workflows, I didn't really want to mention more, but yes, we have workflows for design, manufacturing, and technical publications, and so on.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Thank you for that insight, sir. Yeah. So yeah, next to you, ma'am. So can you share how your design team currently saves your product data, which is the location kind of thing, was earlier doing it. So what was the challenges that you faced before that, and what are the benefits that you inculcate after deploying your data management in your firm as a design engineer?
Yeah. So firstly, we have been using a data management system which is SOLIDWORKS EPDM from so long. But from my experience that after our company shifted the ownership from Belgium to here, we thought that we would be facing a lot of challenges during design transfer, product ownership transfer, and all that stuff. So we were quite scared at that point of time. During that point itself, we onboarded Conceptia also to have support for EPDM. And we were new to it, but when we started the journey, I saw that due to the data management, a proper data management, we could have an easy transition from one place to other place. It was very easy because we have not lost any track of the files. Files were still there. So what we had to do just is to learn the software so that we can use all the files efficiently. So I would say that if data management system is not there in place, I don't know in today's world we can survive. A good industry with lot of facilities at lot of different locations, having data management system is a very great thing to have for the current world. Yeah.
For this panel, I think it's good to have companies with multi-site collaborations. So when it comes to Terex, they are placed in US, Bangalore, Hosur, and with a common master server in one place and replicated servers in all the regions of their parts. And for Vanti also, it's not different. They are placed in Belgium, Singapore, and India. If not, if you are also in US?
We are worldwide.
Oh,
almost.
God. Thank you for that insight. So for you, sir, so what would you, what is your message, what would you like to share to the organizations, since you are the key decision maker in your firm, to exactly incorporate guys, this is the solution, I need to move on. So what is that message that you want to give it to the organization and leadership teams about data management to just implement it, get a firm understanding about that culture? So what is your opinion on that? What is that message that you want to share?
I think, see, as we go forward, we need to have our data backup as well. So it's easy that, we lost or we not save the data properly. I mean, if you want to get the part which is used in about 5 years back, so we don't know. So we lost it, if it is in a local drive. So I feel a company which is with at least a team of 5, data management is a must, I feel. So that will help you to track and process in place, and it will also reduce your time. So that will improve your overall growth in the project and in the company.
Yeah, I think, so what you suggest, like anybody with 3 to 4 more CAD users, there should be a common collaborative environment for you to work without any silos.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
thank you, sir, thanks. That was a great message, in fact. So yeah, sir, for you, sir. So since I asked you are with a multi-site entity. So what are the major challenges that you face in maintaining the data from the IT point of view? So how would you, accumulate? How would you calculate and restore the CAD data which is accumulated over 20-25 odd years? So what are the caretaking aspects that you would make it in, maintaining that legacy data? And I'm sure for every year, for every month, your CAD design engineers will be creating new stuff as well. So what are the prerequisites you took from IT point of view? And how are you maintaining till current date from IT point of view?
So when we had this legacy data, we just didn't really jump on and import the files. We classified them. We had the different set of files for, say, design files, manufacturing files. We also have obsoleted files. The active projects, we first classified all of those, and we just really, when we got this file and then we didn't jump on and started working. It was not like that. We classified it first, very well organized and structured it. And then, obviously, we have PDM, which makes our jobs very easy. We have a batch import tool along with mapping structure, which makes these data available for the design engineers and make quick access. And it maintains the rhythm. It won't be having any sort of messy, which will be created by chance or by miss. So that was the steps which we have taken. First, classified. Use the important tools and the advantages of having PDM. And the best part is that helped us in now maintaining that data in a well-mannered. Yeah. So
the intention of this question is being that, so many organizations will carry off their 20-25 years plus of their legacy data. So the very first thing what comes to their mind is, oh my God, how would I migrate this data to my system? So yeah, with right approach, with right softwares, with right classification things, right categorizations, yeah, that thing is not a nightmare. It's completely achievable within weeks or so times.
Whenever we have any sort of files or huge files, any sort of projects, we first thing what we do is we start in a hurry. We start working. That might not work all the time. You should sit, think, plan, and then execute. Just
right,
just like that.
Sir, yeah, thank you, sir, thank you. Ma'am, so how important for you, since you are a design engineer, since you interact with multiple stakeholders of your organizations, so what is one point that you want to highlight with collaborations? How easy is your communications? How easy is your drawing sharings? How beautifully it is framed for you to not to share hard copy every time. So what put a comment on that for our audience.
Yeah, so being in healthcare, we are most stringent while working, and while collaboration, from collaboration point of view, like we are with multiple stakeholders from multiple locations, and we cannot miss anything. So getting it approved from many stakeholders. Like you cannot imagine, but we would be having more than 6 to 7 stakeholders, and those are from different backgrounds. So everyone is not from a design or mechanical background to understand the drawing. So collaboration, so previously we used to use meetings a lot to explain the non-technical person about the importance and what features we have added in the drawing, so that they will also understand from our point of view and why it is necessary to get it approved. Having a validated system and having a non-mechanical people understanding without having a meeting is kind of a thing that data management system, which is like currently we are using EPDM, is providing. So within the system, all the electronic signatures and approvals and alignment we are getting. So even the person from regulatory, even the person from quality, everyone who is not understanding the design but their approval is needed, at certain point of time it is very important to have, it is saving our time, it is saving energy, and a lot of times we don't have to play with emails. It is just a matter of electronic signature within the system.
Since you are a medical device industry, so I think we can also discuss about compliances. So how beautifully this framework is done. And I have 2 different entities like DHF format and DMR format, device master records, for your auditing purpose. I'm sure you need to follow the that local country's policies as well. With that data management should serve your purpose, is what I believe.
Yeah, sure. Because for each region, the rules and regulations are different.
Yes, absolutely.
The pattern will almost same, but every country demands particular things at their region. So
even the auditing format of every country's professionals, delegates are different.
yeah, standards will be
yes,
different.
yes.
Everything will be different. So like we are working on the workflows currently. Customized workflows for customized regions would be our next actually.
Or you have all your reports handy to submit to the auditors of the respective locations.
Yes. And during the audit time, it is very helpful because we don't have to go to each, being in the healthcare, we have multiple data management systems. Like this is for our electronic approvals for the and storage for the electronic drawings, but there are other documentation and everything. And then I got to know that we can actually integrate 2 systems, like the EPDM with other system also, if we can.
Like ERP and other integrations, yeah, that is something, yes.
That fascinates, actually. That is one of the things which we are looking forward to have it in our company, so that it will save a lot of time.
Right, good approach. Due to the time constraint, I would restrict one common question for all of you. Like, what is one word, if you can frame it in one sentence? So for our audience, okay, what is that something that you would want to really instigate? What are the message that you would want to give it to our audience? Like data management is coming. How would you see in next 5 years? So the traditional way of saving files, the traditional way of following approach, how it is challenging for them, how it is completely good enough to improve and implement a data management system. I wanted from a leader point of view, I wanted from a CAD PDM admin point of view, and as well as a senior design engineer point of view. Can I have that, sir, from you, please?
I think it's a time and process is the main thing. So I think we're going to save the time a lot. See, whenever I have a emergency project, I'll switch all 3-4 people to work on the same project, so then I can get things done quickly. So it's kind of a supporting to the customer as well. So that's I feel there is a time management and the process in place, and then you have the advantage of completing the project quickly.
Yeah. This is actually a very big challenge for many of you. So what I would say is, start small. Define goals. You cannot just say, yeah, we will implement, and then we have a lot of employees where I would not say reluctant, or I would say they are, change is not so easy, I would say. So having that change, first, employees who should adapt, who should be ready, who should be always positive, always say very excited about the new things. So there are very few people I have seen, I mean, it's not people, it's just the human tendency. We are not ready for the change. So to have this implemented, whatever software you want to implement, I would say start small and define the perfect goals, understand the team, and then go ahead. When I say start small, start with the departments, and then expand the departments, and then go all over the organization, then go over the globe. So this is what I suggest. So it's not easy, but yes, yeah.
Yeah, definitely. Adaptation makes a sense. It will take some time, or maybe 1 or 2 months beyond the project times. But the beautifully adopted systems will give you better results.
Yeah, I have one more point. I mean, so just moving from our conventional way of working to the upgradation of technology and making faster and smarter. So this way, you can access your files to each and every one of the other, end users. So you don't have to send mail. You don't have to ask him to look into this. So you can access anywhere the information at the rate, quickly. Yeah. Yeah.
You're right, sir. You're right.
One point last is like when there are different teams working within, and then you have everyone are referring a different system. I would say if a system which is like PDM, if we have a system where there is a common place, everyone access and then get approval, as Ravi was telling that, even she was telling that process is like, once we have everything in a single system, that makes life easier. And it saves time. It saves a lot of, I would say you can improvise the whole process immediately. It will take, implementing is quite challenging for few, but once implemented, it is easier for you to grow.
Right, sir. Right. Ma'am, from your thoughts.
Yeah, so today it is not like before that just a draftsman and being a CAD engineer is enough. Now you have to learn the data management tools, which are like just a plugin or just an additional tool to be known for a draftsman. So having data management tool and learning it is like quite required today. And then if you see that understanding the tool, then adhering the process is very much important in the industry where you are playing with the, like such as healthcare, where you are playing with the health of the patients. Yes. You cannot miss anything in that. So I would say that if you are working on a field which is validated, regulated, and controlled, then having errors, like missing something, is very less. So today you start with the less. Like for example, in my team, like 2 engineers are handling drawings for 150 people.
Okay.
So, but 2 are enough. Why? Because we have a tool there. So then, even though everyone is working by their own, but we are the ones who are managing all the drawings. So we are the single point of contact. If the data management tool is not there, then the need of from 2 to maybe 15 to 20 might happen. So we are saving time, we are saving resources, we are saving everything in a controlled manner. So that is one of the things.
So reiterating all the functionalities from the insights from all the 3, just to add few more points is, a design manager need not to worry whether the guy is working on the latest version or not, whether he is continuing in the wrong version or not. Maybe a NPD guy need not to worry that my manufacturing team is referring to latest revision, that he is working on a right revision or not. Maybe a purchase guy will not be able to worry that I'm ordering a wrong product, a wrong revision files or not. Maybe a management will not need to worry that is my dashboard or is my data which is coming from my data management is not a wrong thing. So everything is a mirror of what you do in a daily life. So yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. So thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your insights. So thank you so much, Mr. Ravindra sir, Ms. Riya ma'am, and Sidlinga sir, for sharing your time and your insights of your experiences. I'm sure this would be our key takeaways for the day on data management entities. Each one of you has shown how data management plays a key role in leadership and design and system efficiency. And to our audience, thank you for being such an attentive and engaging group. Before we close, I would like to leave you a thought. whether you're just a beginning of your, are you starting your CAD journey or you're part of a CAD entity for 20 odd years, it doesn't matter. So you need to carry the valuable design data. Now it's the right time to bring structure, control, and visibility, how data is managed. So when data is managed properly, a lot of time, by the way, a lot of cost is also saved. So our SolidWorks data management solution is available as on-premise deployments are designed to help organizations to take to the next step, to protect their design legacy, improve team collaboration, and accelerate innovations. So for any such queries, we are there. Our team will be available at the help desk. I would recommend you to follow the QR code. May I have the QR code, please? Yes. So I would recommend you all to visit this website, share your insights, get your inputs, contact us for any kind of demo sessions, elaborative explanations on any kind of tools that we offer. Thank you. Thank you once again. Let's continue to build a smarter data management entity. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
everyone.
Yeah, 1 second. So 1 second, sir.
So that was indeed a great session. These feedbacks are the testimony to the powerful capabilities of SolidWorks PDM and how users are able to collaborate on design data across your product development team with an easily deployable solution tightly integrated with SolidWorks. So thank you so much for your valuable insights. Again, a huge round of applause for our panelists and our incredible host, Mr. Satish. So I would like to invite Mr. Arun Stevenson to honor our panelists with a memento.